Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the hinge support bracket in your LG dryer, you will need a Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with a Phillips bit. Before you attempt this, be sure to turn off the power to the appliance. Pull the dryer away from the wall. Unthread the 2 screws securing the door to the appliance. Having a helper hold the door is recommended. Unthread the 5 screws to remove the bracket. Slide the lid and lift it off to remove from the dryer. Unthread the 2 screws holding the control panel. Pry the 3 tabs, then pull back and lift up to free the control panel. Unplug the wire harness from the display PCB assembly. Unplug the door switch. Unthread the 2 screws on the lower half of the panel. Unthread the 3 screws on the top half of the dryer panel. Be sure to support the panel while unthreading the 3 screws that secure the top of the dryer panel. Now lift and remove the front panel. And set it on a flat surface. Unthread the 2 black screws on the front of the panel and flip the panel. Now remove the 2 screws on the back and slide the bracket out. To install the new hinge support bracket, slide the support bracket into the panel and rethread the 2 screws. Flip the panel and rethread the black screws. Insert the panel in the 2 slots at the bottom of the appliance. Now rethread the 3 screws on the top half of the panel. Rethread the 2 screws on the bottom half of the panel. Rethread the 2 screws that secure the door to the appliance. Plug in the door switch. Plug the wire harness back into the PCB assembly. Insert the control panel into its grooves and push forward to snap in place. Then rethread the 2 screws that hold it in place. Place the lid on the dryer and push forward to secure. Rethread the 5 screws to reinstall the bracket. Push the dryer back into place. Turn the power supply back on, and your dryer should be ready for use.